Why does my iPhone have a ghost alarm and how do I remove it?
Hello, everyone. We've all been there. An alarm rings on our iPhone and we can't find it in the alarm app. It seems like a ghost alarm. Don't worry, this ghost alarm isn't haunted, it's just a little hidden. Today, we're going to demystify this ghost alarm issue and guide you on how to remove it.
What is a ghost alarm?
A ghost alarm is an alarm that goes off on your iPhone at a specific time, but when you check your alarm app, there is no alarm set for that time. This can be very confusing and sometimes annoying, especially if it's set for an inconvenient time. The cause is often an alarm set in a different app, or a remnant of an alarm that didn't delete properly.
How to identify the source of the ghost alarm?
The first step to tackling the ghost alarm issue is to find out its source. It's crucial to check not just the clock app, but also any other apps that have permissions to set alarms. This could include calendar apps, fitness apps, or medication reminder apps. To do this, 1. Go to your settings. 2. Scroll down to find and click on the app you suspect might be the source. 3. Check if the app has alarm permissions. Repeat these steps for each app that might be setting the alarm until you find the source.
How to remove the ghost alarm?
Once you've identified the source of the ghost alarm, it's time to remove it. If the ghost alarm is from an app, 1. Open the specific app. 2. Navigate to the Alarms or Reminders section in the app. 3. Find the alarm that matches the time your ghost alarm has been going off and turn it off or delete it. If the ghost alarm is a remnant from the clock app, 1. Open the clock app. 2. Go to the Alarm tab. 3. Delete and recreate any alarm that matches the time of the ghost alarm. This can help to overwrite any data that wasn't properly deleted the first time. There you have it. No need to fear the ghost alarm any longer. It's typically just a hidden alarm from another app or a glitch in the clock app that's easy to resolve. We hope this video has been helpful and you can now enjoy your iPhone alarm free until you need it. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.